In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fade your hair but not to your skin. And all you need in this tutorial are a hair clipper with an adjustable lever and the following 3 comb guards. And let's get right into the tutorial. The very first step requires evening out the hair across your head. This is very useful when it comes to fading in the later steps because otherwise the guideline you're creating in the later steps will not be consistent. So I'm currently using number 3 guard, lever all the way open and go all over my head. The next step is going to be creating an initial guideline. Usually I use a trimmer to create an initial guideline when I give myself a skin fade, but this time I'm starting off with number 1 guard, lever all the way closed because this is the shoulder's length I want to have for my haircut. One tip is to make your first guideline as consistent and as straight as possible so that later it is easier to erase this line. After you're done with this step, we are now going to get the number 2 guard and pull the lever all the way open to create my second guideline. It is difficult to see in the video where exactly my second guideline appeared, but be consistent and go above your initial guideline. And you should be somehow able to see the layer forming above the initial guideline. In case you're very confused and you're just lost in the tutorial, then consider joining my Patreon because there you have all full access to an edited version of this haircut tutorials which you can learn and understand how I actually cut my own hair. By closing the lever all the way with number 2 guard, now I am tilting my hair clipper and taking off the line forming between number 3 and number 2 guard. In other words, I'm using the corner of my blade to knock out that visible line. You see it right there? Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of that line using number 2 guard and using the corner of my blade. In the same manner, but with number 1 guard, lever all the way open, I am knocking out the line between number 1 guard, lever all the way closed, and number 2, lever all the way open. See, I am using the corner of my blade once again and not trying to leave a harsh guideline or knockout spot on my hair. This is where the patience kicks in. So be patient. You have to use your corner of your blade. Yes, so especially this is the tip when you're doing the back of your head. There's a tail ball on the back of your head. Usually this is part where it is going to be harder to blend and fade because it really depends on the shape of your head. So make sure you use a mirror and check back and forth. Basically that was it for the fading part. Right now I'm just using my trimmer to line up my hairline. I like to make it super crispy, make it 90 degrees on my hairlines, and make sure to line up the back of your head as well. It will look super clean. And since we started off with number 1 guard, I can basically actually make it like a square shape on the back of your head. So yes, that was it for the tutorial, and this is what it looks like. I think it came out pretty dope. I like this style, and if you like my tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, and I hope to see you very soon. Peace.